It's a little bit different than just packing for camp because, you're packing for a long period of time. We live in a society where, there's companies that come in and help you figure out how to do that. All of the colleges will give you a packing list, more or less. So Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, those companies will have packing lists that are recommended for the school. Sometimes they'll even align it with the college. Bed Bath & Beyond actually has a service where you can shop either online or you can actually go to the store and pick all the different things that you want, and you could pull out your school's packing list. And then of course you can check off what you want and then go pick it up when you get to your school. So you don't have to pack your whole car with everything. You can just pick it up when you get there, and it makes it a lot easier. For my oldest daughter, we bought some of the stuff that was sent by the school that they recommended buying, and it wasn't quite as good a quality. So I would recommend being at a place where you can actually pick it out and see it before you purchase it.